Hi, I'm Kirby with Augustine E-Bikes. We put together kits every day and ride these same kits about 20 to 40 miles every day under all sorts of conditions. Today we're going to look at 3 simple solutions for housing your e-bike's wires once everything's assembled. Once you've attached the motor, making sure that it's secure to the frame. These are powerful motors and you want to make sure that they're tight. Once you've attached the controller, attach the onboard computer and throttle. Attached all of the kit's wires and battery. You want to test your settings, and then of course you want to test the motor. Once you've tested all of these to make sure that everything works, you'll be left with a cluster of wires. Here are 3 simple solutions for managing your wires. You want to make sure that the wires are protected and out of the way. You want to make sure that they're waterproof. And of course, you want to make sure they look good. In order to address the wires, you'll need zip ties. I always have a selection of large or small zip ties in every single size at hand on any given time. So the first solution is to take a water bottle you have laying around, cut it in half, paint it the color of your choice. It's quick, simple, waterproof, and effective. The second is insulation foam that can be found in any hardware store. It's cheap, effective, and because it's polymer, it's waterproof. Just cut the length you need with a pair of scissors. The third is called cable wrap, which is used to hide audio cables. I really like this one because it looks great, has a built-in rubber lip that seals it tight, and it's easy to work with. For the water bottle, find a water bottle you have laying around, and if you don't have one, you can pick one up at any local bike shop. Sometimes they give them away for free. With an X-Acto knife, cut the bottle down the middle on both sides until you can separate the bottle. Then cut the bottom. Now give the bottle several coats of paint. Using small zip ties, wrap the wires together tightly so they will fit neatly into the housing. The method is the same for all 3 solutions. Make sure the housing is touching the controller because there's a little gap in the controller you want to make sure water can't penetrate. Make sure all of the wires are covered. And using 2 long zip ties, secure to 2 parts of the frame. Now this cluster of wires is gone and you have 3 simple, easy, inexpensive solutions to housing your e-bike's wires.